Hello, this is your summer series part 2. This is a 7-part series on how to achieve a summer body. And hopefully you're watching this in the season of summer. If you're not, maybe pause and watch in seasons of summer wherever you're at in the world. This is part 2. We've done part 1. If you haven't, go back and watch part 1 if you want to. Part 2, we're really focusing on 7 principles to be present with and how to ground your body. And if you've ever done like a achieve a summer body look, this is a little bit different. This is on how to be with yourself and how to ground during the summer, because ultimately that's going to be the summer body that you want. So part 2 is I want you to sit down, grab a pen and paper, and I want you to plan one thing a month for a year. So you're going to come up with 12 things that you can do from whatever month you're in now for the next 11 months, starting from now to plan ahead 11 more times. What is something that you can put in your calendar that you're going to connect to yourself? For instance, you in January, go outside and play in the snow for 30 minutes. Now, if you're in the summer, that's going to be a little ways away. Maybe it's go somewhere and take a cold shower and feel the cold against your skin. Or jump into a cold lake. What is that like? And get really good at the details. What does it feel like? What does it sound like? What does it taste like? Maybe it's getting up early and walking outside for 15 minutes. Maybe it's getting up early and watching the sunrise. And don't have any distractions. Feel the sensations of the experience. And what is it like for you? I want you to write out a 12-month calendar on committing to a date for just you and your body, to be present with it, to ground with it, to really experience it in its beautiful capacity, and see how that goes. And if you really want to follow through, commit to those 12 dates. It might take 5 minutes, maybe an hour. I personally love to do hot yoga for myself. I personally love to drink hot water in the morning for myself. It's just a little daily anchor that I let my body know that I'm here for it. If you like this material, like and subscribe and follow along, and stay tuned for part 3. Okay, bye.